This Greater Kansas City Realty property video is presented by K. Owens. Come fall in love with this amazing home. Located in beautiful Spring Hill, Kansas, the new Yorkshire two-story home was built by Chris George Homes. It is stunning and ready to move in. Transitional soft contemporary open floor plan with a stunning kitchen, large breakfast bar island, huge pantry, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops. Spacious master with tiled floor bathroom, large tiled Euro shower and soaker tub awaits you. The 3-car garage is perfect for your growing family and the covered patio is to die for. This home also features a fully finished basement. Plenty of room to roam in the well-manicured lawn, and you will love not having any neighbors on the side. For more information, review the details below or contact K. Owens at 913-963